Hi, I'm Marilyn O'Hearn, and welcome to my blog, www.marilynoh.com/blog. Today we're looking at an envisioning process that I just used recently with a leadership team of a large organization to help them discover their desired culture for their organization. So it can be used for teamwork, for discovering vision, values, culture, future, and I've used it for my own vision of what I want to do around Cuba-U.S. relations as a demonstration for you today. So I chose these images. These are researched images, and images and stories and metaphors, as you know from reading my other blogs, help us to use our whole brain instead of just one part of it. And so here's my images around Cuba-U.S. relations. And it starts with the drum beating here. So that, for me, means the time is now. And that we're going to be breaking through some chains and sweeping up some of the past. And just the joy of different cultures coming together in a playful way and jumping in, just being all in a playful way. And this is where I see myself in U.S.-Cuba relations, is in the conversations, and I've started having some conversations with people who've already been at work in this area, and healing. There seems to be a sense of healing through some of what's happened in the past, taking it one step at a time and ending up with a welding together, something really strong. And I think of my grandfather, Emil Leo, who was a welder starting at age 14. And just the strength of two things being welded together, making it really strong. So that's my vision and story about how I want to be involved in Cuba and U.S. relations. And again, if I were doing this with a team, each person would choose images and share in a small group and then break out in the larger group with great sustainable transformational results. Thank you and see you next week.